Hey babies, how y'all been? I know what y'all thinking. This girl hasn't put any content on this page in weeks, and you're right, I haven't. I have allowed COVID to put me in this sleepy space of just not wanting to do anything. So I'm back, you know. So we got us a little tutorial here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. And I apologize. I wasn't feeling all that inspired. It was just a lot going on with like Black Lives Matter and my job and my life. So yeah, that's what it is. So, but I'm back, girl. And yeah, I'm just gonna do like a soft like pink eye today, I think. I hate when I make a plan because I'll change my mind, so we'll see. We see. So yeah, let's get into it. I've already done my brows off camera, and I'm going to go in with my P. Louise base in Rumor 2 because it's pretty fair. So yeah, I want this white color that I put in there to pop more too. So we have a little chit chat too while we're going through this. But so I went to get a wax today, and it was super strange because it's like this Brazilian spot here in Atlanta, and I went, and normally it's like all Brazilian people in there, like legit always Brazilian girls in there. And so I get in there and I'm like, oh, okay, she's new. It's like two girls sitting at the desk, and then they finally call me back or whatever, and the girl that comes to get me is a black girl too. And I was like, okay, all right, cool. I mean, I don't have a problem with it, but it was just strange because I literally, like, this place is like a chain, and so I never see anything but like Brazilian girls there, or women. And literally, so I go back there and she does my wax, and literally, honey, after COVID and that long stretch of time that I was unable to get my wax, I said never again will I endure such pain. Never. So I was literally on time. Like, I had her to pull it up, and I was like, who did my wax last time, and who and what day was it? And I was like 2 days early. I was like, baby, Pinky can't be going through that again. She just cannot. That was like stupid painful. I don't ever want to do that again. So yeah, but the girl, she does my wax, and I mean, it came out great because ultimately I barely even had anything to wax because I was so on time. But I could tell, like, by the way she like did the wax, like, if I did have like a lot of hair to be removed, girl, I would have been in pain, because she just was like willy-nilly kind of putting the strips on there. It was just not the strips, but the wax or whatever on there, and it was just like, oh, okay. I was like, so yeah, I need to know where a girlfriend from the time before was, 'cause she got sis together. I don't know about that. So yeah, that was my my little situation today. But I'm really wondering, like, what happened? Like, what happened with the girls, honey? Did they get deported? Like, what's going on? Like, everybody in there was black, and I was just like, I'm confused. Like, African American black. Like, I know Dominicans are black too, but like African American black. Like, these are just, you know, regular black girls like me. And I was like, where they at? What happened to them, girl? So I don't know. We'll figure out what the tea is on that. Like, out of all the chains I've been to, like, I literally never ever see anything but Brazilian chicks at this particular chain. So yeah, I'm just curious, like, what's going on with that. I'm just patting this on, like blanking out this canvas here for when I get ready to apply my shadow. I feel like I haven't been wearing makeup. Like, we have to wear masks at work, and so like you can't really do any makeup. Like, the first time I did it, I forgot, and I put my makeup on for work, and I get to work and honey, I was like, first of all, I was about to die. And then my makeup, my mask was covered in my makeup, which annoyed me. It literally annoyed me. So I haven't been wearing makeup. I slick feel like, I don't know about y'all, but like when I haven't done my makeup in a while, I'll be like, do I still got it? Can I still do it? I guess we gonna see. Before you ever start applying your shadow, you definitely do not want your lid to crease. So you gotta make sure that thing is not creased, okay? I'm just using this pastel pink shade from my Morphe 35B palette. They do not sell this palette anymore. I don't know why, they're crazy, but yeah. And I'm just gonna use this color right here as my transition color. And I don't know if it's showing up good on the camera, but it's very, very faint, like it's very translucent, this little pink. And I'm taking it in a circular around my eyeball. I seen today that one of my favorite MUAs has released her she released her trainings for doing makeup today. Tailor Made Jane. I was like, oh snap, come on with it. I slick almost paid for it just because I just wanted to see what it looked like and how she was doing it or whatever. But she had like, I know one of the look that she has on there right now is for a smoky eye, and I don't struggle with the smoky eye, so I was like, I'll wait till she puts some of that other extremely like hard stuff to do, like creative stuff. I would love to see that. And just how she's training you guys and or us, and what she says and how she's applying it and all that good stuff. Like I feel like even if I were like to get like super bomb with makeup like that, I would still love watching other people. I just get satisfaction out of watching people do makeup. I'm gonna buff this out so there aren't harsh lines, because this is literally just like a transition color for me. So is everybody like outside again? Like what's going on? Because I'm not outside. I mean, I go outside to eat for sure. Like I'm not one to pass up good food, but like what is everybody doing? I was starting to feel depressed, like just bored with life. Like I used to have me a drink every night, and then I stopped because it got boring. Like, girl, you drink every day when you come home from work. Like, it's not even fun anymore. Like, I wasn't here for it no more. Like, we went to Florida a couple weeks ago, and we bought like some liquor while we were down there. And I was all excited because I knew it was cheaper. And I got home and I was just like, I don't even want none. I don't even care. I don't even care. And so literally, I think my husband has practically drank all of the bottles by himself because I don't want none. I was like, did COVID cure my nightly libations? Probably not. But as of right now, I just don't feel like drinking. And I have gained mad weight during all of this. I promise you the highlight of my day is eating. Period. Like, that's all I care about is food. I wake up in the morning and I can't wait to figure out, what do I want to eat? What are we gonna eat today? That's literally what my mind be at every day, on what my next meal is going to be. Just greedy. Just plumb greedy. I've been cooking like crazy. I got people on my Instagram like, you should do a food channel with your makeup. That would be great if I first knew how I cooked. Like, I'm like, I'm not like your grandma or nothing. Like, she know every single time what she gonna do. Like me, I just throw it together and it come out good. I don't know the measurements or anything like that. Like, I could give somebody the gist, but like when it comes to like how much of this or how much of that, girl, I don't know. I have no idea. And depending on what ingredients I have in the house, chances are I'm going to just make it do with whatever I got. That's just how that cookie is going to crumble. So I don't think I would be good at that. Like the videos I've seen of people like doing like cooking food, they have a plan, honey. They have a plan. The only plan I have is I'm using this meat, I'm using these peppers and these onions. After that, you just baby, I do not know. So I have a question. Did anybody see the thing where they were like roasting B Simone about, you know, wanting a man that's an entrepreneur? What did y'all think about that? I, for one, understood what baby girl was getting at. Like, I don't understand why everyone is so butthurt about what she wants for herself. I just think people always want to have so much opinion over other people's lives. Like, let's just say she really did mean it, like, oh, entrepreneurs don't understand, I mean not entrepreneurs, but 9-to-5 people don't understand my life. And she does think that they're like entrepreneurs or are more superior than 9-to-5ers. Let's just say that is truly what she meant, right? I'm not trying to be with B Simone, so I don't give a F about what she wants in her significant other, because I'm not trying to be with you, sis. So do you. Whatever you want for you is what you want for you. I just feel like everybody is so woke. Everybody is so opinionated about other people's lives. And I don't freaking get it. Like, I don't get it. And maybe that makes me a jerk. I don't know. But I didn't get offended by it. And I'm in the 9-to-5ers. But let's be very clear. I was talking to my best friend and I asked her, let's just be 1,000 right now. Who works 9-to-5 anyway? These jobs don't be giving you 9-to-5s. I want to know who works those 9-to-5s. Not for the reason that B Simone wants to know who they are so she can avoid them. But baby, I wouldn't mind a 9-to-5 schedule. 9-to-5 don't sound half bad to me, sis. I'm just saying. Sign me up for the 9-to-5. I'm okay with it. I don't have no beef with a 9-to-5. Because, baby, they're going to hit you with that smooth 7 to 3, that 8 to 5, that 9 to 6, that 10 to 7. But that 9 to 5, that 30-minute lunch, that's something else. That, sis, is something else entirely. I just need to know who's giving that schedule out. They need to talk to my manager about that 9 to 5. Well, they would normally have to talk to my manager about that 9-to-5, honey, because I work part-time now. I do not have the will to want to be in there full-time anymore. But if I did, 9-to-5 is all right with me. Just say, oh my God, all 9-to-5 people are a piece of trash. I hate them. She didn't say that. She just said what she wanted for herself. Go you, girlfriend. What do I care for? I'm taking some Vaseline here. This is the excess that was left over when I was doing it. I'm just gonna dust it over a little. This is where we used to go.